everybody, I just finished vlogging my next recipe, which is Singapore chili prawns. And oh my god, I don't like to brag, but it's so good. Let me show you. Look at that beautiful dish. I can't wait to share this with you because it's amazing. I'm really sorry if I sounded like I brag about my food, but you have to try this. My kitchen looks like a mess right now. I don't know if you can see it. Chicken katsudon is done. I'm sorry I didn't have time to vlog the process because I was already late, but now I'm gonna vlog the eating process. Always hits the spot. Oh my god. Are you like me who has to eat spicy food? If it's not spicy, you can't really eat. I've been like that since I was like probably 15. Crazy.
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Through the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtail ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing a sleighing song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells,
I don't know why my hair looks like this. Hello. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday morning. No, it's not morning, it's actually afternoon. I'm about to cook lunch for myself, which is nasi goreng kampung, or Indonesian fried rice, I guess. Because I have leftover rice, I have leftover rotisserie chicken that I can use in my fried rice. The recipe will be on the vlog. tasted it and it tastes amazing. I can't wait to share this recipe with you. And promise me you have to try this recipe. It's time for dessert. Comment down below if you know the name of this fruit. I can't believe I found this in the US, let alone in a Walmart. I used to eat this all the time back home when I was in Indonesia. So yummy.